The DJI Mini 5, the anticipated successor to the popular DJI Mini 3 Pro, is poised to make a splash in the drone market. While DJI has yet to officially unveil the device, the summer of 2024 is widely rumored to be its release window. Speculation and leaks surrounding the Mini 5 have been circulating, fueling excitement among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 will retain its compact and lightweight design, making it highly portable and ideal for on-the-go photography and videography. It is expected to feature enhanced camera capabilities, possibly including a higher resolution sensor and improved video recording quality. Additionally, the Mini 5 may incorporate advanced flight modes and intelligent features, further simplifying its operation and expanding its creative possibilities. As the release date draws closer, the drone community eagerly awaits official details from DJI, hoping to see the Mini 5 surpass its predecessor in terms of performance, innovation, and accessibility. The Mini 5 is expected to feature a substantial upgrade to its sensor compared to its predecessor. This larger sensor will directly enhance its low-light photography capabilities, allowing it to capture more light and produce images with reduced noise and improved detail in dimly lit conditions. Moreover, the Mini 5 is likely to be equipped with a wider lens, resulting in a broader field of view. This wider aperture will enable the camera to capture more of the scene in a single shot, making it ideal for landscapes, group photos, and other scenarios where a wider perspective is desired. The Mini 5 is anticipated to significantly outperform its predecessor, the Mini 3, in terms of flight duration. While the Mini 3 typically provides around 30 minutes of flight time, the Mini 5 is expected to surpass this benchmark, potentially offering an even more extended flight experience. In addition to its impressive flight time, the Mini 5 is likely to be equipped with enhanced obstacle avoidance capabilities. This feature could involve a comprehensive suite of sensors, including front, rear, and downward-facing components, to ensure safe navigation in various environments. These advanced sensors would enable the drone to detect and avoid potential obstacles, reducing the risk of collisions and enhancing overall flight stability. The Mini 5 is expected to feature a more refined and compact design compared to its predecessor, the Mini 3. This could mean a smaller form factor, perhaps with a more foldable or collapsible mechanism, making it easier to carry and store. Additionally, the Mini 5 might incorporate new materials or manufacturing techniques for improved durability and aesthetics. A significant upgrade is anticipated in the image transmission technology of the Mini 5. It is likely to adopt DJI's O3 Plus system, which offers superior range and stability compared to previous generations. This means users can fly farther away from the drone while maintaining a strong connection and high-quality video feed. The O3 Plus technology also provides improved resistance to interference, ensuring a more reliable and consistent experience. Release date: the Mini 5 is rumored to be released in summer 2024. However, there is no official confirmation from DJI. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 is an exciting new drone that is sure to be a popular choice for both hobbyists and professionals. With its improved camera, longer flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mini 5 is a great all-around drone. Additional information: in addition to the key points mentioned above, there are a few other rumors and leaks circulating about the DJI Mini 5. One such rumor is that the Mini 5 will have a built-in GPS receiver. This would be a significant upgrade from the Mini 2, which does not have GPS. A GPS receiver would allow the Mini 5 to accurately track its location, which would be useful for features such as return to home and waypoint navigation. Another rumor is that the Mini 5 will have a more powerful battery. The Mini 2 has a flight time of up to 31 minutes, and the Mini 5 is rumored to have a flight time of up to 40 minutes. This would be a significant improvement, as it would allow users to fly for longer without having to worry about running out of battery. It is important to note that these are just rumors and leaks, and DJI has not confirmed any of them. It is possible that some or all of these rumors may be false. However, if these rumors are true, the DJI Mini 5 would be a significant upgrade from the Mini 2. We will update this article as more information becomes available about the DJI Mini.